Have you ever felt this way? You dream of achieving something big. You imagine a better life, a successful future, but when it's time to actually do the work, you put it off. You'll tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow. If you've ever felt ambitious but struggled with laziness, then this story is for you. It might just change the way you see your life forever. Once upon a time, in a small, peaceful village, lived a young farmer named Mohan. He was strong, healthy, and full of big dreams. He would often tell his friends, "One day, I'll be the richest farmer in this village. My fields will shine golden with crops. People will come to me for advice, and I'll be respected by everyone." The villagers all admired his ambition, but Mohan had a problem. Wash, lazy. When the sun rose and other farmers were already heading to their fields, Mohan was still in bed, while the other men worked under the hot sun. He would sit in the shade, talking about his grand plans. When it was time to fetch water, he'd say, "Oh, I'll do it later." He loved imagining success, but he hated the hard work it required. One evening, Mohan's uncle, an old and wise farmer, he looked at Mohan's field, which was completely empty. The soil was rich and fertile, but nothing was growing. He asked, "Mohan, my boy, why is your land so empty? You talk about golden crops, but all I see is dry soil." Mohan just laughed. "Don't worry, uncle. I'll start tomorrow. My field will be the best in the village. You just wait and see." The old man sighed. He had heard this tomorrow excuse many times before, so he decided it was time to teach Mohan a lesson he would never forget. The uncle reached into his pocket and pulled out 2 small bags. Inside were 2 very different kinds of seeds. He gave them to Mohan and said, "These are not ordinary seeds. They're magic. The first one is the ambition seed. If you plant it and water it every day, it will grow into a magnificent tree that provides fruit, shade, and wealth. The second one is the laziness seed. If you plant it, it will grow incredibly fast, but it will spread weeds across your entire field, destroying everything in its path. Mohan, the choice is yours. The future of your field and your life depends on which seed you choose to care for." Mohan looked at the 2 seeds. "Of course," he thought, "I'll plant the ambition seed. I want to be successful." But when the next morning came, Mohan felt tired. "I'll plant it tomorrow," he mumbled to himself and rolled over. Days turned into weeks. Finally, out of sheer boredom, he threw both seeds into the ground. "Let's just see what happens," he thought. "I can always take care of them later." He soon forgot all about the seeds. He spent his days sleeping, talking, and dreaming about his future success. Then one day, he wandered out to his field and was horrified by what he saw. The laziness seed had grown with terrifying speed. Thick, ugly weeds had taken over the entire plot of land, choking the soil. And the ambition seed, it was a tiny, weak little sprout, barely alive because it had received no water and no care. Mohan's beautiful dream was turning into a real-life nightmare. Just then, his uncle returned. He looked at the disastrous field and said, "Mohan, look at your land. This is a picture of your life. Ambition is like a tiny seed. It needs daily care, effort, and action to grow. Without work, it withers and dies. But laziness grows all by itself. It spreads fast and destroys everything in its way. You want it to be great, my son, but you have let laziness steal your future." Mohan fell to his knees. He touched the dying ambition sprout, and tears streamed down his face. For the first time, he truly understood. Dreams are not enough. Only action can keep them alive. That night, Mohan couldn't sleep. He thought about all the wasted time, his empty promises, and the opportunities he had lost. He whispered to himself, "If I don't change now, laziness will own me forever." The very next morning, before the sun even peeked over the horizon, Mohan was in his field. He began pulling out the weeds with his bare hands. It was grueling work. His back ached, and his hands bled, but he refused to stop. He carefully watered the little ambition sprout, and he came back to care for it every single day. Slowly, the sprout grew stronger. Over the years, it became a great, magnificent tree, providing abundant fruit, cool shade, and great wealth. And Mohan changed, too. He was no longer the lazy dreamer. He became known throughout the land as the farmer who fought his own laziness and won. This story isn't just about farming. It's about life. Each and every one of us holds these 2 seeds inside us. One is ambition. The other is laziness. Ambition only grows if you feed it every day with effort, discipline, and action. Laziness, however, grows all on its own and will destroy your dreams if you let it. So, if you feel ambitious but struggle with laziness, remember Mohan's field. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start today. Posero vase, water your ambition. Pull out the weeds of laziness, because the longer you wait, the more your dreams will wither away. If you enjoyed this story and found it valuable, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Share it with someone you know who has big dreams but might be struggling to get started. Let's grow our ambition together and build a life we truly dream of. Thanks for watching.